Hey Sam. I'm glad to see you again. Today, we're going to learn the word
berichten,
Hi Alex. That sounds interesting. What does it mean?
berichten,
means to report or to inform. It's often used in the context of news or updates. The most common meaning is definitely to report. Just be careful with false friends, it's not the same as to be rich.
That's good to know. How is
berichten,
used in sentences?
Great question.
berichten,
Is a verb, and it's a regular one. In the present tense, you say
ich berichte, du berichtest,
and.
sie, es berichtet.
In the past tense, it becomes
Ich berichtete,
and in the perfect, you say
ich habe berichtet.
For example, you can say
Ich habe gestern über die Neuigkeiten berichtet.
which means I reported about the news yesterday.
So, can you give me the imperative form too?
Sure. The imperative form for
Berichten. Berichte.
when you're talking to someone informally. If you're being formal, you might say
Berichten Sie.
I see. Is there a bit of history behind the word?
berichten,
yes, absolutely. The word comes from the Middle High German,
Berichten.
which originally meant to make something clear or to inform someone. The roots can be traced back to Old High German, where it had a similar meaning. It's fascinating how the meaning has remained quite consistent over time.
That is interesting. Can we break down
berichten,
further?
Certainly. The prefix generally means to make or to do, and the root
Richten.
comes from the verb meaning to direct or to set right. So, together, it conveys the idea of making something known or directing attention to information.
That makes sense. Are there similar words in German?
Yes, there are several. For example, with the same prefix, you have
Bewerben.
meaning to apply, and
Beobachten.
meaning to observe. Then there's
Bericht.
which is a noun meaning report. If we look at the suffix, you'll find words like
Lesen.
meaning to read and
Sehen.
meaning to see.
Wow, that's a lot. Can you give me some real-life situations where I might use
berichten,
Of course. If you're at work, you might say
Ich berichte meinem Chef über das Projekt.
which means I report to my boss about the project. At the doctor, you might say
Ich habe meinem Arzt über die Symptome berichtet.
Meaning I reported my symptoms to the doctor. While traveling, you could say,
Ich berichte von meinen Erfahrungen in Deutschland.
Meaning I report about my experiences in Deutschland.
Alright, let me try. In a work setting, I could say,
Ich berichte meinem Chef über den Fortschritt.
Perfect. That's exactly right.
How about a hint for remembering the gender of?
Der Bericht.
Good thinking. The word
Bericht.
is masculine, so you can remember it as the report. Think of a formal report typically being presented by a man in a suit.
Got it. Are there any formal or informal usages I should know?
Yes.
Berichten.
Is generally neutral and can be used in both formal and informal contexts. Typical collocations include phrases like
Über etwas berichten.
which means to report about something,
Einen Bericht schreiben.
meaning to write a report, and
Regelmäßig berichten.
meaning to report regularly.
What about similar words that might be confusing?
You might mix it up with
Richten.
which means to direct or to adjust. They sound similar, but they have very different meanings.
Can you give me a few example sentences with?
Berichten.
Sure. You could say,
Die Nachrichten berichten über das Wetter.
which means the news reports about the weather. Another example is,
Hat mir viel über die Geschichte berichtet.
meaning he reported a lot to me about the history. Also, you can ask,
Worüber berichtest du morgen?
which means what will you report about tomorrow?
I think I'm getting the hang of it.
Let's do a quick recall check. What does
Berichten.
mean?
It means to report or inform.
Great. How do you conjugate it in the present tense for ich?
Ich berichte.
Perfect. What is the past tense form?
Ich berichtete.
Correct. What's the perfect form?
Ich habe berichtet.
Excellent. How do you say the imperative form for the informal you?
Berichte.
Very good. Last question. What is the gender of?
Der Bericht.
It's masculine.
You did fantastic today, Sam. The key takeaway is that
Berichten.
is a versatile verb used for reporting information. Keep practicing, and you'll master it in no time.
Thanks, Alex. I really enjoyed this lesson.